How to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can recover deleted messages on Messenger, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So when you open up Messenger and then you happen to delete a certain chat by long pressing on it, tapping on delete, it says once you have deleted your copy of the conversation it can't be undone. So let's say I deleted it. Now what if I want to get that conversation back again? Now the only way we can do this is by requesting Facebook to download our data, and to do this you can open up the Facebook app, tap the three lines option, then just go to settings. Once you go to settings, under settings and privacy, just tap on the search bar, and then inside the search bar just type in download. Then you'll find a information that says download your information here, right? So I'll just go ahead and select that. It says download your information, select that. All you have to do is request Meta to be able to download the information, which is current activity or schedule. Then you can tap on download or transfer information, select whichever account's information that you would like here. I will just select my main Facebook account. Then I can tap on next and request the download. This way I can recover deleted messages on Messenger. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.